All right, let's look at this crazy schedule. So, hey everybody, Jay Ball, Blue Jays Outdoors. Hopefully, you guys are having a great day. Appreciate you hanging out with me. I'm actually in Orlando, Kissimmee area. I guess my in-laws wanted to go to Disney, so came down here for the week. Just working from the Airbnb for a couple of days, and then I've got a couple fishing trips planned. I'm not going to spoil anything. Got some really cool fishing trips planned with two of my good buddies, so looking forward to that. But I wanted to give you guys just kind of an update of what to expect coming this fall with my crazy work schedule. So before I do that, why don't you guys take a couple, you guys watch a couple of the fish catches that Dylan and I had from our last trip out fishing. Guys, we actually smashed largemouth bass. How about you guys watch a few fish catches? Had an absolute best day, probably the best day of topwater fishing we've honestly ever had. So you guys watch a few fish catches, and then let me kind of give you guys an update of what the next month or two looks like from the channel, because it's pretty busy when it comes to work. So watch a few fish catches, and I'll tell you guys what to expect coming for the next month and a half or so. I don't know. I like walking bass when it's really calm like this. So do the fish. See that?
Oh, sorry. I can't cast this thing.
Oh, dude, he hit it. He hit your whopper plopper. He hit it. He hit it.
That was the craziest thing ever.
Dude, he was trying to get mine and got yours. What's a big fish, too? Yeah.
It like just hit the water.
Yeah, because he was trying to get mine.
Look at that. Holy crap. That was insane. Dang.
You got to tell him what just happened.
Yeah, that was insane. Blue Jays was actually just throwing a walking bait, and I just casted my lure. I didn't even mean to cast next to his. I was trying to cast way over there. I made a bad cast, but it turned into a good cast because my lure was literally right next to his. A fish blew up on his and it ate mine. It was crazy. Mine wasn't even, I don't even think it hit the water yet.
I don't think so.
That was crazy. It literally just bounced on the water and the bass was grabbing it as it was hitting the water. That was the craziest thing ever. I don't know if I can grab this or not.
No.
Maybe not. Oh. But super cool, guys. Gonna get some pliers and get that Guggen revolver out of that fish's mouth. Start casting again because the fish are loaded up in here. That was insane.
Awesome. As soon as yours hit the water, he had it.
I thought he was going for yours,
No,
but
well,
then I felt mine.
Well, I think what it was is it was a reaction. I think he thought that it was taken off.
Yeah.
So as soon as yours hit,
Did you see
he porpoised.
Yeah.
Dude, look, he just pushed mine.
Yeah. We're gonna get a double right here. This is the craziest top water ever. It's like they don't even care what top water it is.
Nope. Oh, there we go.
Big one?
Not a giant, but nice one.
Yeah.
That is a nice one, yeah. Guys, just letting that thing sit on the surface. I don't know if you guys have been watching. That's a nice fish. But these fish aren't really wanting these things walking. They just want us to kind of pop them every once in a while. Wow, that's actually a bigger fish than I thought.
That's a good one.
Dang, guys, check that out. You can't tell me that fall bass do not love top water. Look at that. Absolutely smashed it. We're doubled up, guys. Doubled up right now. This is insane.
Double up. The fish are loaded up here, guys. This is the craziest topwater bite I've been on in a couple of years. No joke, we're absolutely wrecking them. It's like every other cast. We've thrown whopper, ploppers, frogs, pop R's, walking baits. It doesn't even matter what you throw at them. Those largemouth bass are in here and they are aggressive. Drop a comment below your favorite topwater bait.
All right, so that was a pretty crazy day. I'm gonna leave the link to Dylan's video that he made so you guys can go check it out. He's doing a much better job at making content than I am. But if we would include all the fish catches, I think it would have been like over 45-minute long video. So I know he just captured some of the best catches. But hopefully you guys enjoyed some of those catches that we had on the late fall, or early fall, I should say, late summer bite. But yeah, I just want to be transparent with you guys. You guys have been really supportive. I can't thank you enough for all your support, but I just want to kind of give you guys a heads up of what to expect over the next month and a half, maybe 2 months. Pretty chaotic work schedule, so you guys might be getting some content that I maybe had made earlier this year, like in the spring or early summer, that I didn't get a chance to post. So right now we are in Orlando for this week, and then I get back next weekend or this weekend. Then I've got to go to Pennsylvania to do training for the week, get back home, and I have a family camping trip. I'm home for the week, and then the next week I'm in Indiana doing training all week. I literally am only home for 2 days, and then I got to hop on a plane, and I'm gonna be in California for 2 solid weeks for training out there. So we're starting in the southern tip of California and going north. We're doing some step training there, and then I'm home for a week, and then I've got to go to Kansas City the week after that. It's the first week in November. So pretty chaotic month and a half, 2 months coming up here. So again, you guys might be seeing some content that I made earlier this year that I didn't get a chance to post. I'll post as many videos as I can, tips and tricks videos to help you guys with your fall bites, because the fall bite is in full swing right now. It seems like, at least in Michigan and maybe in Indiana and Ohio, up in Wisconsin, Minnesota. So I'll share some tips and tricks with you as I can. But yeah, guys, it's going to be a pretty crazy grind for the next month and a half. So just wanted to kind of give you guys an update and give you a heads up of what to expect. So again, appreciate all your support. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Growth's been going really good. Goal this year is 5,000. I think I'm right at maybe like 3,500. So I can't thank you guys enough for all your support. Hang in there. I'll try to make as much new content as possible. Try to do some steelhead fishing, get you guys some fall steelhead action, and then try to get out bass fishing when I get a chance. So again, thank you for all your support. And remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. Thanks, and hopefully next time I see you, I'll be on the boat.